Okay, here's another one that I ordered. And this is a Sojourn lace knit. Okay. Yay! Nice. Neon green. Okay. Now this type, it's a knit type. Slip on. However, you can adjust this one. The elastic here. Okay. And this will definitely fit when your feet is narrow type. All right. It's not for the wide feet. And here it is. Perfect. This one is size 8 again. This is the sole knit type. It's a gray and neon green, or I would say yellow for some would say. Again, you can adjust the elastic. You press this one and then move. Okay, so if you want this, adjust it. All right, that's how it is. So light. And yeah, perfect.